Right, here's a quick rundown of how Benefit works, and this will be very quick. But Benefit is an alternative to using cash or credit card or checking account at the point of sale. It allows you to shop at the places you already shop, conduct your everyday expenses, and contribute up to 20% of every purchase price to something that matters to you. It might be your kid's tuition bill. It might be a mortgage bill, your health insurance premium. It might be a school or a local nonprofit that you care about. You shop like you already do, and Benefit contributes a part of your purchase price to the cause you choose. Let me just show you how this works. I've set up a checking account. I won't get into the details of that, but anyone can set up a simple checking account and just conduct their everyday shopping. I'm going to go into retailers and just choose a national retailer. I'm going to walk into Panera Bread, and instead of pulling out cash or debit card, I'm going to use the Benefit app. I choose to buy a card. You're actually buying a digital gift card. Now, there's nothing really gift about this. I'm able to buy down to the cent. So the cashier might tell me my bill is $26.18. So I type in $26.18. If I hit next, it tells me it's going to be charged to my checking account that I set up when I first created an account. If I were to hit buy now, right now, it would actually purchase, and I'll show you, it would purchase a card. And this one has $8.72 on it. I'm not actually buying a card. I've got enough of these things. But this is a card number that I give right at Panera Bread, and I'm delivered within 3 seconds that I clicked buy. And I just show to them, and I'm on my way. Most of our retailers, I should say half of our retailers, are barcode. Half of them are card number. Now, why did I choose to do that rather than pulling out a credit card or a checking account or debit card? Panera Bread gives 8% of that purchase to the cause I chose. What cause did I choose? I am supporting my education. And so whenever I make a purchase, money goes to my education bill. This comes back to me in the form of a check or a direct deposit into my checking account each month. If I go into beneficiaries here, this is where it's time to give to what matters most. This is where I choose what I want to support, a school, a nonprofit, or a life expense. If I choose life expense, you'll see I can choose my health care, and I can choose to support it. So now every time I make a purchase, the savings, or remember how I purchased that Panera card, 8% of that $25 and change, would come back to me in the form of a check for my health care. It's really that simple. We found a way to stretch a dollar and to support the things that matter most to those consumers without spending a dime beyond their everyday spend. We also strongly encourage, in fact, 98% of our users are using a checking account because the discounts across retailers are significantly higher. We have to take credit because we accept debit, and so on. You're running on the same rails, and you have to. But we strongly encourage and want our users to use a debit card or a checking account. So that is how the Benefit app works. Thanks for